Hi friends, let's talk about what kind of pencils to buy if you're just starting to draw. So I've laid out some drawing pencils and you want to pay attention to the grade that is written at the end of a pencil. So you will see here either you will see a letter F, like a single letter F, or you will see letters H and B, or you will see a number, a numeric number 2, 4, 3, 6 something followed by a letter H or B. First of all, let me just clarify that when you see the single letter F or you see letter H and B together, this is the exact same thing. The pencil that says H and HB are the exact same things, and these are the writing pencils. So these are the normal regular writing pencils. Now, when it comes to the pencils with a numeric code associated with them, then they are harder or softer than the regular writing pencil. So I have separated them out. The ones ending with H, I have separated out this side, and the ones ended with B, I have separated out this side. The higher the number associated with them, the higher, the softer or the harder the pencil is. So for example, the pencil 7B is going to be much softer than, let's say, 2B, and similarly on the harder side you will see that 4H is going to be much harder than, let's say, a single H or a 2H. So typically when we are starting out, you don't really need a whole bunch of pencils. You really just need 2 or 3. I highly recommend definitely having the middle of the ground HB pencil. This is a definite must for initial laying out of the drawing. And then you want to keep maybe 2 or 3, maybe 3 softer pencils, and they go up till 8B is really the max. So you can get like maybe 2B, 4B and 6B, maybe 8B, but that's not really necessary. If you don't want to buy individual pencils, you can actually buy them in sets as well. There are quite a few of companies that have pencil sets. Just make sure that you are you're buying the ones that have the grades of B in your toolbox. I'm creating more quick tips like this, especially for those who are just starting to draw or who want to improve your drawing. So subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with one friend who will really benefit from this video.